Okay, guys. So the video. So now this part, I'm gonna be doing clo internal closing. Um. So I don't know which one will be sound better. Um. For my girlfriend, she told me that the second test video came out perfect. Um. Maybe a little bit more echo. Hello. Okay, a little bit less. So I'm just going to do a quick minute or two, just like the same one that I just did. Um, but yeah, so far the second test video that I did was pretty good. I said I hear myself buffering in the microphone. See, I'm buffering, so I'm going to take a look back on this and say, okay, right now I'm on internal closing. So I'm just going to play, hello, hello. I'm going to leave it at that and see what happened. So this is good for this video.